Bro, I recorded like multiple videos, bro, but I kept messing up. I don't, I don't even know, bro. I tried doing live trading too, but that didn't work either. But anyways, it's fine, whatever. Got to record myself for an hour long. Um, no, it's kind of annoying, bro. I'm trying to do those live trading things, but like stuff keeps popping up. Like the mic, they won't connect to the phone mic or whatever. Just all this shit, bro. My MacBook Air microphone's like all cooked, so I can't. It's like it's a lot of hell. What? It's a lot of stuff is just messed up. So whatever. But past 2 days, tried doing a trade live trading. I uploaded the other one from yesterday, but I posted it and then like bro, it was like all cooked because like half the audio disappeared out of normal. Like, bro, what the fuck? Anyways, this live. I mean, this is a trade recap of today. So let's go over today. You know what I could actually do, bro? I didn't know. I could like do a little replay mode. Oh no, I was back testing. I mean, I don't give a fuck. It's cool. Oh shit, what have I done, bro? What the fuck? Oh shit, I was watching Invincible, guys. Dude, what is happening? Dude. Yo, take me back, yo. There you go. Oh. What the flip? Oh, that's just. What the fuck, dude? Alright. Look at that. Look how cool that is. So, let's try to do this. Higher time frame, there was a daily fair value up under us that we tapped into already at, it's pretty ugly. It's hard to see, but it's all this shit. Daily fair value gap right here that we're already tapping into before market open, tiny bit before market open. ES, it's not on replay mode over here. That sucks. Oh well. ES didn't tap into it yet on his daily fair value gap. There's also these highs over here that I was like seeing. Like there's just a bunch of shit to the upside, which I love to see. There's this daily fair value gap right here that's unmitigated, and like going lower time or going 4 hour and stuff. There were just a bunch of highs, which I like. Is this equal? These aren't equal, right? It's not. You know, these highs right here is just a, it's like low resistance. It's not low resistance, but it's like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Um, yeah, something I noticed though was that we already inversed hella shit. Like we broke structure to the downside already on a 4 hour over here. We inversed these fair value gaps. Um, stuff like that, which I was kind of already noticing. So it was like my bias wasn't fully bullish or bearish. It was like, okay, let's see what happens when market opens, right? And most likely just wait for a 10 a.m. candle, which is what I kind of did. But yeah, and then ES had, I ain't gonna lower time frame. This is too high. Like if you just look at it, like we're respecting these fair value gaps and stuff over here, and like going lower, and like respecting PD arrays. As you go lower, like we inverse this, like it's all this shit. It's kind of like bearish, right? So I wasn't too straight up with a bullish or bearish bias. It was just seeing like, okay, let's see what happens, and like I'll try to play off that. Um, yeah, like there's this 1 hour unmitigated as well, which I was kind of looking at too. Relatively equal highs, like it was a bunch of relatively equal highs and stuff. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? I think I'm better on the 15 minute if I show y'all. That's not the 15 minute. Like you just look at this shit, right? It's like a bunch of shit that's open, like Asia, like all this stuff that's just so open, which made me so bullish. But then it was like, it's like a lot of stuff was showing bearish too, because on higher time frames, so it's gonna get inverse and all that, whatnot. So that's why I have a mixed bias. I mean, that's why I had a kind of mixed bias or whatever. Um, this is just a bunch of stacked shit, like all this lower resistance and whatnot. So yeah, let's see what happens at market open though. This what the fuck? How do I like? Why is it showing what happened already? Boom. Kind of like on. I don't know how to use this shit. I don't hold y'all. Oh, yeah, price shit the bed off the bat. Um, else. I hate this big ass replay thing, bro. It's so annoying. Pressed hit the bed, and I was like, okay, well, maybe we can get longs, right? But then I was also like, this shit's dumping the bed hella. You feel me? Like, I don't know if we're even gonna get anything for longs. Because just dumping and dumping. Same thing with having yesterday, just dumping more. And then chopped up. And I was like, shit. I mean, the long I could see is like off this area right here and like, go long. But that's like a crazy reversal point, to be honest. Like, it's just unlikely. ES was dumping into the daily fair value gap. And I don't remember. This replay shit's fucking annoying. I'm finna just get this shit off. How do I get out? Oh, there you go. Whatever. But yeah, let's see what I try to do here. I fucking forgot a lot of stuff, to be honest. I think this got taken out, and then on NQ we tapped into the new week opening gap and took out some very shitty liquidity, to be honest. We edged this Asian low or whatever. We took this out over here, and I was like, okay, well, it's gonna be 10 a.m. You know what I'm saying? It's like the same shit happened yesterday. It's gonna be 10 a.m. on lower time frame, like price kind of going up a little bit already. Like I can expect, we're gonna make a 15-minute fair value gap, which we did, and probably retrace to it and then go lower, which it made no sense because price literally inversed the fucking fair value gap and then went lower. And I was looking for shorts here, but it inversed, and I was like, okay, what the fuck? I guess we're gonna go higher. We didn't go fucking higher, but I still capitalized off this move right here, which was pretty sexy. Let's go on the fucking thing over here. I got a discounted entry. This would be a standard model entry right here for a regular entry, but I was like, I want to enter this if I get a fucking discount. And we did. We got a discount entry. I got entered around like entered on there. Like I entered on this candle actually, but that's where I kind of entered at, like the price level at least. And I was stopped like right here. Boom. And I aimed for a pretty shitty level, I think. And that bitch edged that hoe. I aimed for what I even aimed for, because the original trade was like what, this? I got a little bit over a 101 on this, like if it was a standard model entry, but I got discounts, so I got like over a 1-2. So that was pretty good. But during this whole time right here as well, I took a fucking it'll tap into a 15-minute at the time, and it gave a 5-minute IFEG, which I also took. But so this one was on a funded account. I'm like all over the place right now. But this was on a funded account, the one I took for long. I aimed for equilibrium, I'm pretty sure. So let me look this fucking thing up. I aimed for around equilibrium. So I got like a 102.6. I think it was a limit order as well. So that's that. And then I was like, oh shit, we could get shorts, but that inverse his position, which, you know what I'm saying? So I took an eval trade as well during this time. And my stops like around here or so. Okay, fuck me then. My stops around here or so. Boop. And then I aim for a 101 for this Asian freaking person. Look. I was like, it's not a bad trade. It's like right there. Hopefully it doesn't edge it, right? Come to the 15-minute fair value gap already. That's over here. And then I got fucking stopped the fuck out. But my other position, which was actually a funded account, got up on the day. So I was like, oh shit, I ain't tripping. I'm pretty sure this is fucking hedging, but no, it's not real hedging. Because one's a fake account, or quote unquote fake account, and the one's the actual account. But yeah, those are the only trades I took today. And then yeah, once I saw the 15-minute fair value gap also get inverse, and I was like, shit, this is pretty decent point of reversal. We're gonna hit the new week opening gap or whatever again. And the only thing I see stopping it would be the fact that we already dumped hella and that we inversed hella shit on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, because 10 a.m. open, right? And I was like, shit, we have Asian low. That's the only thing that's kind of stopping it or whatever. It's the only place I see a point of reversal at. It might go down lower and then reverse, but other than that, that wasn't bad. So I was looking for like this a long position. After this 15 minute got inversed, I was like, there's no other reason. Like, why the fuck the price go lower? Except for this, right? Because I mean, you just inverse the 5 minutes to 15 minutes. There's no other 15 minutes either to like up to here. So it's gonna at least go up to there, which then I'll just place as a break even point and aim for this lower resistance liquidity, which is what I was looking for. So I want to see some shit like, something like this. Maybe get the entry around here and aim for, that. Go break even around here, right? Because the 15 minute or 1 hour or whatever, it's there. I was like, shit, it looks pretty good. But price went lower and it never gave me an entry. And what I was looking for though in this area was by the way, look at this. The reason why I like this trade so much for my limit order trade off of discount entry was it went all the way to OTE. And I was like, oh, that's so sexy. Damn, that's sexy. But yeah, I was looking for longs again off this whole swing move right here. So like as this was going down, so I was like, oh, let's see if we get into a good IFEG trade. I'll give an entry off of. I'll place my stops like under the OTE or some shit, or under the IFEG, and just aim for up here. But we never got anything like that. We just went lower to take out Asian people's freaking liquidity. So yeah, and then this guy fucking took out the daily for daily. No, it's not daily. I think it's New York session. Yeah, it just is. I'm kind of all over the place right now because I'm hungry as shit. I'm finna go eat. But yeah, decent trading day. What kind of learned from the win? It was pretty decent. I don't something I can't really learn from. It's pretty cool. But the loss, what kind of learn from that? I don't even fucking know because I really just have the fair value, 15-minute fair value gap. But new week opening gap right here, and I genuinely don't know why price did what it did, and I genuinely don't know, except for the fact that the data standard model was there. We took a loss yesterday. Oh, that's another thing too. The reason why I had such conviction in that long, I took on my funded, was the fact that we took a loss yesterday, and I was like, huh. Probabilities wise and data wise, you know what I'm saying? It's not very probable that we get a loss. I was only gonna take the standard model entry if it gave me a fucking discount, which it did, and I was like, oh yeah, fuck yeah. And I was like, took it. I just took that bitch, you know what I'm saying? So that's that. Oh my gosh. Uh, what else? Yeah, I barely trade my funded account, but when I do, you know what I'm saying? Tweaking, bro. But yeah, I took that. Oh, I didn't even get this fucking free pizza. I'm gonna look so ugly, bro. Cause I'm bulking. I'm like trying to eat this pizza. It's probably like 300 calories, bro. At least 200. But hey, it's a free pizza from Quick Trip. My sister be giving me these coupons. That's why I was like, shit, it's free food. You know what I'm saying? Like, and that should be heated up too. Like, it's already heated up for you and all that. So, and I'm bulking, dirty bulking. I'm getting real ugly, fat and ugly. I already am kind of ugly, so you know, why not take a step further and get even uglier? Looks, what's the word? I'm just yapping at this point, but that's pretty much it. Price dumped. So the short trade, 5 minute IFG trade, it literally took me out. Went to equilibrium, or actually went to OT of this range. I could have held my first trade. I could have held my funded account trade longer to OTE, but I didn't. I also wanted to hold it longer all the way up to here, which I'm glad I didn't because I would have stopped the fuck out. Or I got to break even, but yeah, pretty cool. Um, yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Like, how you gonna inverse this shit and go lower? I mean, the only thing I see is like the price that came back to this motherfucking OT swing move. Yes, that's equilibrium. But yeah, I mean, pretty strange price action today. I don't often see shit like this. So I'm looking at gay freaking yapping, bro.